What we want, when we want.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, तारिक कनाडा आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर है। उम्मीद आप सब लोग खुश होंगे। एक नए ब्लॉग के साथ और एक ज़बरदस्त इंफॉर्मेशन के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हुआ हूँ। आज हम कहाँ आए हैं? कैनरा पोस्ट। कैनरा पोस्ट यहाँ पे प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। क्यों प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं? मेरे साथ इस वक्त असद अहमद साहब मौजूद हैं, उनसे भी बात करेंगे, हम उनका इंटरव्यू भी करेंगे कि ये यहाँ पे प्रोटेस्ट क्यों कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच तारिक कनाडा, एंड वी आर लाइव फ्रॉम द तारिक कनाडा यूट्यूब चैनल। और इस वक्त हम नाजरीन, जैसे तारिक भाई ने कहा कि हम एक प्रोटेस्ट में आए हुए हैं और कवरेज कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे। और इसमें यहाँ पे कनाडा पोस्ट की एक बहुत बड़ी स्ट्राइक चल रही है फॉर द लास्ट 1 वीक। और इस हम देखेंगे, जाएंगे, इनसे बात करेंगे कि आजकल जो ये जो लेटर्स हैं और जो जितनी भी डॉक्स हैं और ये जितने भी और मटेरियल्स हैं, क्यों लेट चल रहा है और कनाडा पोस्ट स्ट्राइक की क्या डिमांड्स हैं और क्या ये करना चाह रहे हैं। और इस वक्त तारिक कनाडा जी, तारिक भाई, हम आपके साथ चलते हैं, विल टेक ऑल द स्टफ के यहाँ पे क्या होने जा रहा है। तो हमारे साथ रहिए, हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिएगा। देखते हैं तारिक कनाडा यूट्यूब चैनल एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड विद अस। So we are live from the Tariq Canada YouTube channel. So we are here at the place of the protest for the Canada Post. So they are protesting since last 1 week. So here we have Mr. Rajiv with us from Canada Post, and he would like to talk. So since how long you will be here, and what's your needs and then demand?
We started out at 12:01 a.m. Friday, and we've been here 24/7. We are fighting for fair wages. We're fighting for the rights of the workers. There's been a lot of oppression from the employer. Leading up to this, we were left with no choice. They were going to lay thousands of people off jobs, permanent jobs. So we had to stand up and voice for our rights, and that's what we are looking for.
Okay,
We are ready to negotiate. They have to come back and give us the fair deal.
Okay, so your protest is related with the Ontario or the whole Canada?
This is all over Canada.
So
This strike is first time all of Canada is shut down.
Okay, do you think how many employees they have?
55,000 employees
So
are off work.
So 55,000 of work employees, and this is, I think, injustice for the Canada Post people. And their wages, how long they have not raised your wages?
I mean, since the last collective agreement, so we are looking for a fair raise now, keeping in mind the economic conditions, how much inflation has been up. So that's what we're looking for, a fair wage for our employees, for our workers, securing the future of our workers at Canada Post at work, following all health and safety conditions.
Okay, so he's absolutely right, because right now recession is there, economic conditions is too much bad, so these minimum wages are not fine for the living, to meet the living requirements. But what do you think if they're not going to be make it like in 1 week more? So what's your next strategy? So you are still here, or the management is trying to contact you guys or not?
They've been trying to bully our employees by trying to lay them off. Even during this strike, they are trying to contact individually the employees and trying to lay them off work. We don't intend to give up our fight. We are here to fight for our fair wages, fair working conditions, and a fair collective agreement. And we are here. We are ready to talk, though. If they want to talk, our negotiators are ready, 24/7 to have a talk, to get a fair agreement.
So management contact your union persons or union is
Yes,
active for?
they are in touch today, but we don't have an update yet.
So do you think they're going to be agree on your things? So what are your requirements and your Canada Post workers requirement? They're going to make it or not?
Keeping human rights in mind and knowing that these workers are the ones that run this company. It's not people sitting in hi-fi offices. It's the worker that's out here in this cold, standing to fight for their rights, is the one running the company, and has historically, if you look back, these are the people running Canada Post,
So is
delivering
that-
the mail
oh.
to each mailbox, you know.
Yeah, we think that Canada Post is working for a long time in Canada, so they are serving no match exactly. But in these days, the people are getting problem like getting the mails and every stuff. So do you think so? People, other people, they are have your consent with other people. They appreciate your this effort, so they're getting some problems.
You can see the support we are getting from the public. They are honking for us. A lot of people have come in, even the ones that are not Canada Post employees, to show us support. They have joined us here in this protest, and we hope that we get the right message through. Our negotiators are working very hard around the clock, and we know we will get the fair deal for our workers.
Exactly. So that's good. So what's your plan? So are you at one place or different places?
No, we are all over Canada, all over Canada, all our plants, all the depots. We are there. There you can see people giving us their, you know.
So what's the main strategy? Do you think they are agree in 1 week or 2 days or 1 day or 3
We
days?
don't know the timeline. We just know that we are ready for a fight, and we are here protesting, and we need to get that fair contract with the employer.
So we hope for the best, and especially we hope for the best for the Canadian people, all of them, because economic condition is too much high and unannounced recession is there. So we are with you as a general public or as from the Tariq Canada YouTube channel for the North America #1 channel. So we hope for the best. And do you want to give any message to the people of community of Canada from Canada Post? Any message?
Thank you to your viewers and to you to give us a voice here. We just want to let Canadians know we are ready to deliver the mail. We know what our job is, and we go far, into every corner of Canada to deliver the mail. We just want a fair deal. If you go in our shoes, you would want a fair deal too. That's all we're looking for, a fair collective agreement.
So we are with Canada Post people for the fair deal. Keep watching, stay tuned, and definitely we will cover up again. Thank you very much for your participation, for your views, and everyone Canada Post people.
Thank you very much.
Take care. Thank you. Take care.
Solidarity, solidarity. Canada Post, negotiate. 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 1, 2, 3. We cannot take any more. 1, 2, 3. We cannot take any more. 1, 2, 3. Contract. When would you want? Right now. Right. Contract. When would you want? Right.